wrist extension, radial-ulnar balance.
Electrode placement is very important in achieving balanced radial and ulnar deviation for wrist extension. This is the initial electrode placement with the appropriate wrist extension, balance between radial and ulnar sides. With a slight displacement of the electrode towards the ulnar side, you see ulnar deviation and increased finger extension. Repositioning the electrode to the radial side, you see marked radial deviation without finger extension. Neither of these placements are desirable.